Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and this is my 30th video lecture on expert advisors. In this video I'll be talking about another indicator which is called Bollinger Bands, and I'll show you how you can use Bollinger Bands in your trading, and then I will show you how you can convert your strategy based on Bollinger Bands into an expert advisor. So first of all, click this button and add Bollinger Bands on your chart. So for this tutorial I'll be using these settings for Bollinger Bands. As you can see here, it has 4 variables. The first variable is called the period, the second variable is called shift, third variable is called deviation, and fourth variable is the price which you are going to apply that indicator. And there are several prices which you can apply your indicator to. So let's click OK. And now here you can see this these 3 lines appeared on the chart, and this is called the Bollinger Band indicator. So now let me tell you about how you can use Bollinger Bands for your trading. So for first I'll be talking about the long entries. So whenever a candle crosses the lower band, which is this one, which is this line, whenever a candle crosses the lower band and closed below this particular band, then you open a long trade. Right after that close, okay, or you can say the opening of next candle. As you can see here, this candle has closed below this Bollinger Band indicator right here, and now when the next candle opens, you place a long trade, okay, and when you enter a long trade, you set a fixed TP value for that particular trade. And for short entries, you look for a candle which closed above the Bollinger Band indicator. Like this candle has crossed above the above band and it closed above here, you place a sell trade right here, okay. So this is the strategy. Whenever a candle crosses the lower band and closed below it, you open a buy trade right at the right price of the next candle's opening, okay. And when candle crosses the upper band and closes above this upper band, you open a sell trade right after the next candle's opening, okay. So now let me show you how you can about how you will write an expert advisor for that. So first of all, I have already written this code for you, so I'll be just explaining how I did that, okay. First of all, I have created a function and I have called it BB. Okay, you know how to create functions for indicators. Watch my previous videos for that. Okay, and its return type is boolean, its name is BB. Then I have written two double type variables. I have declared two double type of variables. The first variable B, I set it equal to the lower band. Okay, this function I have written here is a predefined function which returns the value of certain candle, which we write here. It returns us the value of that particular band at that index, at that candle number. Okay, let me tell you about its argument. The first argument it takes is the symbol. The second argument it takes is the time frame. The third argument it takes the period. And for that we have defined an external variable which we call period, and we set it equal to 20. Also we have created other variables which are associated with this Bollinger Bands indicator. Okay, so the fourth variable it takes the deviation, the fifth variable it takes the shift amount, and the next argument it takes is the applied price. You can apply it to close, low, high, whatever price you want to. And the next argument it takes is the mode. If you want to know the value of upper band at certain index number, for example this is index number 0, and you want to know the price of upper band, you have to write this piece of code. Okay, you have to write the mode upper and the index number 0, and it will return the value of Bollinger Bands at this index number. Okay, if you wanted to know the value of the lower band at certain index number, you have to write the mode lower for that. Okay, now by doing this we have already extracted the information and we have stored it in these two variables. For lower band we have stored it to this variable, and for upper band we have stored the value into this variable. Now the next thing I have done here, I have written a condition right here. If this candle crosses and closed above here, okay, if this candle crosses this upper band and closes above here, then what we want to do, we want to open a sell trade. So this thing does here, if actually this code is for B represents the lower band, so it will this code will be for upper band. So if this candle's close is greater than this Bollinger Band, which is equal to C, is greater than C, and the value of Bollinger Band is in between its open and its close price. Okay, right here this candle closes above this Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band's value is in between its open and close price. Okay, here it lies in between these two prices, open and close price. Then we want to return true. Yes, we want to return true for that. And if this particular function returns us true, then we will be going to place a buy order. Sell order. Okay, when this function returns true, we will be placing a sell order, and when this particular function returns as false, we will be placing a buy order. Okay, so this is I think this is all, and you have to if you think this is difficult for you, keep watching this video do watch these videos for a couple of times, and you will know what this tutorial is all about. Okay, so let me recap it for once. We have created two variables. We have set the B variable to lower bag, and we have set the variable C to the upper bag. If the close price is less than Bollinger Band B, which is lower, that means if a candle closes below this Bollinger Band, the lower Bollinger Band, and the value of that Bollinger Band is in between the candle's open and its close price, then we will return false. Else if the candle closes above this Bollinger Band, this upper Bollinger Band, then, and also the Bollinger Band's value is in between its open, the candle's open and close price, we want to return true. Okay, and the last thing, if none of these two conditions are meeting, we will be returning an empty value. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start, and let's use our function for that. Let's create a variable type boolean. Let's call it check, and check equals to the function we have created right here. Now if check equals false, that means if the candle closes below the Bollinger Band, we wanted to close sell and open buy. Okay, else if check equals true, we want to close buy and open sell. So this is all for this tutorial. I know this is very simple strategy and it may not be very profitable, but but by watching this video you know how to use Bollinger Bands indicator in your expert advisor, and search for more strategies which are using Bollinger Bands, and use this function to extract the information, and then use it for your expert advisor based on your strategy. And this is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.